Ready? ज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। नाम श्रेष्ठं मनुमपि शचिपुत्रमत्र स्वरूपं रूपं तस्याग्रजं मुरुपुरी माधुरी गोष्ठवाटिं राधाकुण्डं गिरिवरमहो राधिका माधवाशा प्राप्तोर्जस्य प्रथितकृपयां श्रीगुरुं तं नतोऽस्मि। वंशाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपासिन्धुभ्य एव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। अनार्पितचरिं चिरात् करुणयावतीर्णः कलौ समर्पयितुमुन्नतौ ज्वलरसां स्वभक्तिः श्रियां हरिः पुरटसुन्दरद्युतिकदम्बसन्दीपितौ सदा हृदयस्कन्दरे स्फुरतु वः शचीनन्दनः। अङ्गस्यामलिमछटाभिरभितो मिन्दीकृतेन्दीवरं जाड्यं जागुडरुचिसां विदधतं पटाम्बरं च श्रियां बृन्दारण्यविलासिनो हृदि लसत् दामाभिरामोदरं राधास्कन्दनिवेशितज्वलभुजं ध्यायेम दामोदरम्। यथारूढो गच्छन् पथि मिलित्वा भूदेवपटलैः स्तुतिर्प्रादुर्भावं प्रतिपदमुपाकर्णसदयः दयासिन्धुर्बन्धुः सकलजगतां सिन्धुसुतया जगन्नाथ स्वामी नयनपथगामी भवतु मे। त्वमादिदेव करुणानिधानं तमालवर्णं सुहृदावतारम् अपार संसार समुद्र सेतुं भजामहे भागवत स्वरूपं। भवे भवे तथा भक्तिः प्रादयोः स्तव जायते तथा कुरु सदेवेश नाथस्त्वं नो यतः प्रभो। नाम संकीर्तनं यस्य सर्वपापप्रणाशनं प्रणामो दुःखशमनं तं नमामि हरिं परम्। श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौरभक्तवृंद। हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। नमामीश्वरं सच्चिदानन्दरूपम् लसत्कुण्डलङ्गोकुले भ्राजमानं नमामीश्वर। यशोदाभियोलुखलब्धवमानं परामृष्टमर्त्या ततो धृतगोप्या यशोदाभियोलु रुदन्तं मुहुर्नेत्रयुग्मं मृजन्तं कराम्भोजयुग्मेन शातङ्कनेत्रं मुहुश्वासकम्पत्रिरेखाङ्ककण्ठं हितग्रीवदामोदरं भक्तिबद्धम् इति दृक्स्वलीलाभिरानन्दकुन्दे स्वघोषङ्निमजन्तमाख्यापयन्तम् इति दृक् तदीयसितज्ञेषु भक्तिर्जितत्वं दीयसितज्ञेषु भक्तिर्जितत्वं पुनः प्रेमतस्तं शतावृत्ति वन्दे वरं देवमोक्षं न मोक्षावधिं वा न चान्यं गृणेहं वरेशादपीह वरं देवमोक्षं इदं ते वपुर्नाथ गोपाल बालम् इदं ते वपुर्नाथ गोपाल सदा मे मनसा विरास्तं किल सदा मे इदं ते मुखाम्भोजम् अव्यक्तनीले घृतं कुन्तले स्निग्ध रक्तैश्च गोप्या इदं ते मुहुश्चुम्बितं बिम्बरक्त्राधरं मे मुहुश्चुम्बितं मनसा विरास्तामलं लक्ष्यलाभे नमो देव दामोदरानन्त विष्णु प्रसिद्ध प्रभो दुःख जलाभिमग्नं नमो देव दामोदरानन्त विष्णु प्रसिद्ध प्रभो दुःख कृपा दृष्टि वृष्ट्यातिदीनं बतानु कृपा दृष्टि गृहाणे समामज्ञमेधकीदृश गृहाणे कुबेरात्मजौ बध मूर्ति भजद्वत् त्वयामोचितौ भक्ति भाजौ कृतौ च कुबेरात्मजौ बध तथा प्रेम भक्तिं स्वकामे प्रयच्छ तथा प्रेम नमोखे ग्रहो मेस्ति दामोदरेह नमस्तेस्तु दाम्ने स्फुरदीप्तिधाम्ने त्वदीयदरायस्य विश्वस्य धाम्ने नमस्तेस्तु दाम्ने नमो राधिकायै त्वदीयप्रियायै नमो राधिकायै नमो नन्तलीलाय देवाय तुभ्यं नमो नन्तलीलाय देवाय नमो राधिकायै त्वदीयप्रियायै नमो नमो राधिकायै त्वदीयप्रियायै नमो नन्तलीलाय देवाय तुभ्यं नमो नन्तलीलाय देवाय तुभ्यं राधा दामोदर दया कर राधा दामोदर दामोदर जय दामोदर राधा दामोदर दया कर राधा दामोदर राधा दामोदर राधा दामोदर जय राधे जय राधे जय राधे जय श्री राधे हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा ताई गौर हरि बोल, हरि बोल, हरि बोल, हरि बोल। ताई गौर हरि बोल, हरि बोल, हरि बोल, हरि बोल। और प्रेमानंदी हरि हरि बोल। जय श्री श्री राधा दामोदर जी की जय। जय विष्णुपाद शोधरा दशरथ महाराज की जय। नमो विष्णुपादाय कृष्ण पृष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमती भक्ति गोस्वामी महाराज की जय। In the first of all, I offer my innumerable sastang pranipad to the lotus feet of Srila Gurupada Padma Vishnupada Ashtottara Sri Bhakta Puri Goswami Maharaj, Nityalila Pishta Bhakti Jivanandanardana Goswami Maharaj, Nityalila Pishta Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj Prabhupada, and all our Guru Vargas, associates with Parama Gurudeva Nityalila Pishta Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur Prabhupada, all Parampara Acharyas, all Visade shower their causeless mercy to us. I respect to all Vaishnavas here represented Sripad Sarvadik Prabhu and other Vaishnavas, and in online who are present. I respect to all by the mercy of Sri Radha Damodar. We are continuing his Kartik Harikatha festival. We started with Damodar Astaka. We discussed yesterday how 4 verses, 2 days we discussed, and 5th verse we will discuss. After finish these 8 verses, then we will go to again more in Bhagavatam Visuddhavas. Same in Purushottama month, we were continuing to discuss other pastimes. So we will finish one verse, 2 verses, so together we continuing. Yesterday, Satyavrata Muni, when he saw this beautiful pastime of Gopal, Gopal became Damodar, and how he was feared, and he was crying, and he's just crossing his eyes to see the mother. Then mother threw the stick and caught him. Then she tied to him. Then how his beauty, when he was tied by the Bhakti Badham, by mother's this transcendental love, he was tied up. Not any rope, material rope cannot tie him. Then Satyavrata Muni, he saw this. Then he prayed to Damodar. Damodar offered him, what you want? You want Vaikuntha planet or moksha, liberation, or any other heavenly planets or perfections? Then he rejected all. Yesterday we discussed this. वरं देव मुख्यं न मुख्यावधिंबा. O Vareshadapi, you are the supreme to give all vindications. You can give all, but I don't want anything, neither mukti, the liberation, mukhya avadhi. Here is Srila Sanatana Goswami, he described mukhya avadhi means Vaikuntha planet. Vaikuntha planet also he does not want, because Vaikuntha, Narayan's there, and there is opulence. So he does not want to see opulence, to stay there. He wants this sweet madhurya in Gokul, Vrindavan. This is Goloka. Vaikuntha and Golok in Brahma Samhita more elaborately described there. Sahasrapatra Kamalam Gokulakhya Mahatpadam Tatakarnikarang Tadhamam Tadanantangsha Sambhavam. Sahasrapatra Kamalam Gokulakhya Mahatpadam. This Gokulakhya Mahatpada, the supreme planet, that is Gokul or Golok, like thousands of petals of the lotus. Tata Karnikara in the middle, Tadham Tadanantansam, there is Gokul, Golok. There is Yogapith there, Rasha Mandapa there, the Krishnas, all the sweet pastimes performing there. So he also rejected to Vaikuntha there, where the opulence and Narayan's play this in Brata Bhagavata Amrutam, Sanatana Goswami has written with Bhagavatas the evidence that the devotees, they don't want this opulence, Aishwarya, because in Aishwarya, there the prem, the love is always dominated by the opulence and not free there. But in Vrindavan, in Gokul, the opulence is not dominant there. Their love is pure and more sweet, more attractive. Therefore, they don't want this Krishna's form with this form, how he is beautiful with forest, with all natural, the leaves, flowers, and Yamuna, and Govardhan, and all birds and animals, all these natural opulence there. So here, Satyavrata Muni, he told, I don't want Mukhya Badhingva, Nachanyang Pranihayam Vareshada Vidante Vapurnatha Gopala Balam. Gopala Balam, your Bala Gopala means your this boy, childhood, the Gopala, this form. I want this to see always you appear in my Manasya Virastam Malam. Manasya Sadame Manasya Virastam Malam. Always appear in my heart. You're this sweet Bala Gopal, this childhood, your pastimes. I don't want anything else. Then again, he saw and how he perceive the beauty of the Gopal. Idante mukhambhojam atyanta nilehi. Idante mukhambhoja. He has given Krishna's face is like lotus. Ambhoja. Ambhoja means lotus. His face with covered with atyanta nilehi kuntalehi. Kuntale means his hairs. The crowd coral hairs and very dark blue. And so here Sanatana Goswami told, just like the bumblebee and the lotus. So many bumblebees, they are in the lotus. Same, this hair is covered to his face. So looks such beautiful. Mukhambhoja atyanta nilehi Brutam kuntalehi snigdha raktischa gopya. Snigdha raktischa gopya. Gopya means Mother Yashoda and Sri Radharani. All other gopis also there. So what they did, such beautiful, his attractive, sweet, this lotus like face. Muhus chumbitang bimbaraktra dharang me. They are kissing to Krishna's face again and again, and never satisfied, never they want to leave. So again and again, by their reddish lips, now they are painting many this cosmetic, red color, lipstick. But that is, they make artificial, but they are there. They are originally their lips are bimba raktra. Bimbo, one fruit. They are cooking like a vegetable. So that is, when it become ripened, it becomes very deep red color. So their lips are same color. With their same color, their lips, they are kissing to Krishna again and again. When he is tied up there, Krishna cannot go. Before, if they want to kiss him, embrace him, he ran away because he grew up. But now he's tied up, so cannot go. So everyone, they can drink the nectar from him, how much they want. So muhu chumbitam bimbaraktra dharangme. Muhu means again and again they are kissing, okay, with their anger, with their love, and with their sweet. Okay, now you got punishment. You did our house, you have stolen. You broke our eyes. Now your mother now tied up. You will not give you food, so you will suffer. Then they kiss him. So like this way, now they enjoy this maternal, their vaschalya, rasa. So Satyavata Muni, when he saw this, so he wants, okay, I want this, I don't want your other forms like Narayana, other laps. Muhuschambidang bimbaraktra dharang me manasya virastam alam laksha labhi. Kim labhe, what is benefit if I get 100,000 of other boons? I don't want any boons. Lakshya labhi, no need. I don't want anything. So single-minded with Krishna's these sweet pastimes, you told, I want this. I don't want anything else. This is the Vrindavan's, this Madhurya and sweet and this spontaneous love attachment, Raganuga, to Krishna. They can enjoy with Krishna, the Supreme Lord. Other place in a Vaikuntha planet, they cannot see him, only they can see his effulgence. They cannot, no one can cut his body, touch his body, or shoot or play or joke with him. So here, even Krishna when came to Dwarika, also no one can do this. So here they can do because of this childhood pastimes there. So here gradually by one after another verse he saw and he prayed to him. Namo Devo Damo Dharananta Vishnu Prasiddha Prabhu Dukha Jalabdhi Magnam Kripa Drishti Brishyati Dinangavatanu Gruhane Samamagya Medhakhi Drusha Namo Deva Damodara Ananta Vishnu. Hey Vishnu, he is now calling his names. Nama Sankirtan, name is the most important. O Damodara, O Ananta, O Vishnu, O Deva, O my Lord, Prasiddha, please merciful to us. Prasiddha Prabhu, Dukha Jalabdhi Magnam. Here, in this verse, Sanatana Goswami mentioned two meanings. One meaning is, I am suffering because of your separation. You always come in my mind. I don't want anything else. Without you, by your separation, we are suffering. We discussed about separation mode of the devotion in month of Purushottam with Uddhava's pastimes there. So here, Dukha Jalabdhi Magnam, he expressed his feelings in this world. All are suffering by this Dukha Jalabdhi like an ocean. Sufferings like an ocean. Everyone here is suffering. So he also compassionate to others. Please, Prasida, be merciful to all the living creatures who are suffering here. They are, by your illusory energy, they don't realize, and they just passing their time and life with their sense gratification. They don't understand what is truth, and you are the cause of all causes. You are the behind of everything. You are the Supreme Lord. You are so sweet. You are so lovely. They don't understand. And they are just with your Maya. They are suffering different way. So be merciful to them. Because Satyavrata Manu, he is a devotee. By the nature, devotees are compassionate to others. Kripalu, by nature, they cannot tolerate to see others, they are suffering. Therefore, he also told Prasiddha Prabhu Dukha Jalabdhi Magnam. Dukha Jala Abdhi. Abdhi Jala Abdhi means like ocean. There is no limit of this suffering. One after another, always the sufferings are always there. So there is no other way to free from this suffering. Only you are the shelter there. You are the only cause there. So he prayed dukha jalabdhi magnam kripa drushti brushyati dinam batanu ati dinam means ati dinam means you are suffering more and more by your separation, also by your maya. Here they are suffering. You distribute your glance, kripa drushti of mercy. Gruhane samam agya medhakhi drushya. Gruhane samam agya. I am ignorance. Akhi drushya. From my eyes, you are the object of eyes. So you always blessed as. So I wanted to see with my eyes, not in meditate by mind. By meditating it with my mind, all yogis and with meditation they also see to you. But I want see with eyes because of love. When this love become condensed, Sandrananda, then this love, devotion with the spiritual senses, they want to be with Krishna. This is in the supremacy of the bhakti. In many philosophy, many siddhanta, they don't accept that the spiritual senses with Krishna, there is service there also. They don't accept this. They think this senses and body, this is only in the material condition. So this is Maya. But in spiritual body, there is also spiritual senses there and eternal service there. They don't accept. Actually, if soul is subtle, spirit, fragmental part like all very small, sukha jivo, sukhvanam aham jiva. He told how the condition of the soul is so fragmental. This is jiva. There is no other example like so subtle, finest. So there is also senses there, like mind. In our mind, all senses there. Through mind, we see, we hear, we eat, we walk, we talk, we touch, we do everything in dream. Example, in dream, when we sleep, our senses, our body is out of our conscious. We don't feel by our senses, already closed our eyes, ear, everything. But in a dream, as usual, as like, same like body, same like senses, we see, we talk, we eat, we have fear, we have anger, everything there. We cry, we laugh, everything, we do this. So this is our practical, our experience. No need other example, that the subtle body, everything is there, all energy there, all sensual energy there. So in soul, everything also there. Sarvatah pani padam tato sarvato akhi shiro mukham sarvatah sruti moloke sarvabhabrutya tishtati sarvendriya gunabhasyam sarvendriya vivarjitam asaktam gunabhutrucha. So in Bhagavad Gita he told sarvatah pani padam. Everywhere his hands there, also feet there, everywhere eyes there, everywhere head there, mouth there. Huh? All senses are there. So just like in electric energy, when we connect, involve light coming, fan moving, air coming, air condition, there are hot coming and cold coming. So energy have all power. How we connect, according to the connection, the instrument it then comes. Same, the energy have everything. So here, Akhi Drusha, he told, I wanted to see my eyes, not through meditation process and the other process. Also they can see, but not like this. So here, Sanatana Goswami, he described that he called his names Nama Sankirtan. Namo Devo Damo Dharananta Vishnu Prasiddha Prabhu Dukkha Janani. By Nama Sankirtan, the prem, the love is most inclined and give in increasing the relation by chanting the name. Other parts of sadhan like Sravana, Kirtan, Dhyana, meditation, Japa, many parts, 64 parts. Among the 64 parts, 9 parts Sravana, Kirtana, Smarana, Archana, Bandhana, Dasya, Sakhya, Atmanivedana. These 9 parts. Here in Sanatana Goswami he told Nama Sankirtana is most important there. Because without the relation with close relation, internal connection, no one can call with love the name. So name, by hearing how one can pursue and how one can enjoy this, the bliss of the devotion. But from Sravana Kirtan, the Supreme Lord, he also told himself to Narada. In Padma Purana, he told, Nahang tisthami vaikunthe yoginang hrudayanacha madbhaktaha jatra gayanti tatra tisthami Narada. He told here, I can't stay in Vaikuntha, my planet, my dham, my abode there. I can't stay there. Nahang tisthami yoginang hrudayanacha. Yogis, by their meditation, they also be with me, they also see to me, and I am also residing in their heart. But I can't stay there. Not always. But where my devotees do kirtan, madhavaktaha jatra gayanti, my devotees where they chant my Nam Kirtan, Nama Rupa Guna Lila, among names, attributes, and his qualities and his pastimes, name is most important there, most powerful there. So Sanatana Goswami, he mentioned here that Nama Sankirtan by chanting O Devo, O Damodar. Now you are Dam, under the Dam, tied by Dam means rope. So Damodar, the sweet name, Namo Deva Damodara, Vishnu. So he chanted all these names with his love, and he told, I want this to see my eyes, not through meditation to others. Like Krishna told, He told, I can't stay in my Vaikuntha planet, not yoginang hruday. I cannot stay in by meditation who see in their heart. Yogina Madhavakta Jatra Gayanti Tatra Tishtami Narada. Narada, my devotees were there, I stay there. Means here for devotees, for the Krishna, both the girls, the Lord and devotees, both Visha and Asra, both they love, they increase their love, their bliss by the Sankirtana process. So here Sanatana Goswami particularly mentioned that how he chant now his names. So this is most important there. Okay, thank you. Now we will do little Sankirtan Nam Govinda Damodar 2 verses every day. We for Mahaprabhu's very sweet this Krishna Karnamrita and others we chant. विहाय निद्राम् अरुणोदये च विधाय कृत्यानि च विप्रमुख्या विहाय निद्राम् अरुणोदये च विधाय कृत्यानि च विप्रमुख्या वेदावसाने प्रपठन्ति नित्यम् गोविंद दामोदर माधवेति गोविंद दामोदर माधवेति गोविंद दामोदर माधवेति So a little we discuss some meaning. Kavi Karnampura is Bilamangala Thakur told, Vihaya Nidrang Arunodayan. When before sunrise, they wake up from their sleep bed and they took their morning ritual and cleanness, take a bath and everything. Then what they do? Vedavasane prapatanti nityam. In Veda, they started to study Veda. Veda, then what? Then they after finish Veda, Swadhyaya, they after read, then they start chanting Govinda Damodar Madhava. Then another verse. Pravalo Shobha Iva Dirgha Kesa Batambu Parna Sanaputa Deha Prabala Shobha Iva Dirgha Kesa Batambu Parna Sana Mule Tarunang Munayah Patanti Govind Damodar Madhaveti Mule Tarunang Munayah Patanti Govind Damodar Madhaveti Govind Damodar Madhaveti Govind Damodar Madhaveti Govind Govind Damodar Madhaveti Govind Damodar Madhaveti Radhe Radhe Govind Govind Radhe Radhe Dada Damodar Govind Radhe Radhe Radha Madhava Govind Radhe Jaya Radhe Jaya Radhe Jaya Radhe Jaya Sri Radhe Hari Bol Hari Bol हरि बोल हरि बोल। निताई गौर हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल। और प्रेमानंदे हरि हरि। Tomorrow we will discuss another verse. Now already passing time. जय गौर प्रेमानंद हरि हरि बोल। शरण विष्णुपाद स्तोत्र हत सुरेश महाराज की जय। ठाकुर श्री सपाल श्री प्रभुपाद की जय। अनंत कोटि वैष्णव वृंद की जय। राधा दामोदर जी की जय। पूजा व्रत की जय। राधा दामोदर bless to all devotees. All are happy with taking water from Krishna's spot. गौर प्रेमानंद हरि हरि। कृपा सर्वगी प्रभु की जय। महाराज की जय।